Kalimera. Here we are, the UPatras SCG chapter, starting our virtual field trip in Parnassus bauxite mining district. We all hope you will enjoy our video and Greek geology and culture. We're in archaeological site of Delphi, which before being the temple of Apollo was actually a place honoring goddess Gaia. So for us geologists, it's just a place to be.
We're looking right into an ophiolite melange, but how can we tell?
First of all, we have serpentinite peridotite, plus a lot of shear zones cutting the wall. Further behind the cliff, we can recognize radiolorite. Finally, we have lenses of dolomite and dolomitic limestone.
And as we have moved up to the ophiolite sequence, we have reached to the village Xyliki. Here we can observe the gabbro sequence that has been extensively rhodicitized. We can also see some stockworks of rhodigite veins. Gabbro rocks are actually the usual parent rock to the bauxite due to the elevated content of feldspar and thus aluminum.
The section of Prodromos is a typical example of B1 bauxite outcrop in the Delphi area. It is hosted with karstic cavities created in the Middle Jurassic limestones, being overlain by thick-bedded Kimmeridge limestone. The bauxite lens itself has a limited lateral and vertical extension of few meters. A vertical variation of color is evident with the upper parts being more reddish, meaning more hematite rich, whereas the bottom parts are more grey, whitish yellow, due to the predominance of aluminum-rich faces and goethite. Although the bauxite is quite weathered, a piezolytic texture can be partially recognized.
After observing the B1 horizon in the field, we arrive here, in the Vagonetto mine, an old excavation site that currently functions as a museum. Here is the B3 horizon of the bauxite. In the upper parts, the bauxite is more iron-rich, and that is the reason why we observe these reddish colors. In the lower parts, the iron is depleted, and the color is more whitish. This bauxite is overlaid by the Upper Cretaceous limestone. Here we can see that it has been altered by the water.
We're in an exploration site and we're lucky to see them drilling for bauxite today. The terrain consists of fleece sediment. The drilling target is 500 meters beneath the surface. The drilling is wireline and it drills limestone, fleece sediments and bauxite.
You can see that it is inclined drill hole, and there are the core lithologies. The white is limestone, while the red is bauxite. We're in Aspraspitia town, and just opposite, within the Aldikira Gulf, we can see the aluminum metallurgical unit of Mytilineos Group. Therefore, in the Parnassos district, the exploitation of bauxite is vertically integrated, which means it includes both mining, transportation and metallurgical processes in order to produce alumina and aluminium.